Woke up very cold this morning in Chestnut Knob Shelter. Bunkhouse and Spud also stayed there. I wore all of my layers and got deep into my sleeping bag with my liner that I didn't want to bring because it was too heavy. I'm so glad I did. And I actually had a really good night's sleep. The wind howling around the top of the mountain, like 4,200 feet up, I think. But it was howling like some kind of crazy storm. When you actually got outside in the morning, it wasn't that bad. I'm coming down the other side of it now and the views are spectacular. Check them out. Wow, whee! So good. Heading to Atkins today, or tonight, to stay with the lovely trail angel. Then probably to Trouttville the next day, then to try a longer slack the day after. It feels a little bit cheaty, but it's so cold out here, especially Tuesday there's meant to be snow, that staying inside rather than outside seems to be the wiser option. Getting my stride now. It's about day 4, day 5 since I got back on trail, and I'm really feeling like my legs are getting used to it, my body's getting really used to it again. It's amazing what a couple of weeks off can do. Even in India I was still hiking, but nothing like this. Oh, and I forgot to put my soy water filter in my bed last night with me, so luckily I don't think it froze because we were inside and it was in my bag. But I have to remember to stuff that with all my clothes in my sleeping bag. This is pretty. Morning. Anyone feeling hikey? It's so cold. Snow check out here today. It's meant to be minus 13 UK temps, coming in a bit later. Feels really cold right now. Everything of my extremities is numb, so I need to get inside soon. It's really fucking cold. And I did sleep outside last night. And it's still snowing. And my whole face is like cracked and red and sore. But that's okay, because I'm 3 miles from a road and I'm going to hitch to a church and I'm going to sleep on the floor of a church. So we have heating. I'm going to try and hitch to a liquor store and buy a bottle of whiskey. There's it coming now? No. That's the shelter that saved our lives in the snowstorm last night. I love how they put the cross there just as the sunrise comes up behind it. Very smart. Oh. Okay. more water, now the snow's melting. We're hiking 25 into Damascus today, and everyone's kind of over it because we've had quite a few nights in the cold. Last night was extremely cold. Can you see a guy down there? Doesn't even have any gloves on. Little red Santa hat. He's fishing. He is fishing. I'm in Crazy Larry's in my amazing bed. It did have pillowcases, I just took them off to clean it off this morning. I wanted to say a massive thank you for this. It totally made my day. I've already sent pictures of it to my friends and family home going, oh my God, people are so kind. Chris is so amazing. So I'm going through this box. These guys are fantastic. Thank you for making me not smelly. I'm going to actually gift these to a couple of people I'm hiking with because I've got an orange pack cover that maybe you can see, but they don't have anything orange at all. So I might give these guys something orange each to wear. I love how you take the time to cut these out and put it all in there with the instructions and the sauce. It is so thoughtful, and you remember how much I love tuna. I love tuna. And I've never had this, but everybody's been talking about it. And then lo and behold, open the parcel and there it is. So I'm excited about these. Yes, just yes. I've been so cold. These are gonna make so much difference, thank you. What can I say? I haven't seen a liquor store since I've arrived back in America. It always freaks me out how you guys don't have booze and food in the same shop. So this is perfect. So thoughtful. So thoughtful. I'm just made up. Thank you so much. So 3 people that I'm staying with, hiking with at the moment, are going to go and hike the Virginia Creeper Trail today, and I'm going to go to the diner and do some work on my phone, some writing, catching up on writing for my book. I hiked down through the Creeper Trail route yesterday rather than the AT. Same mileage, different view. So that's why I'm probably not going to cycle it today. And we got to hike 10 miles out of here today. So I'll probably leave around 12. I didn't sleep very well. I don't know why, because the bed was super comfy. Lots of things going around my head about home and stuff too. But I'm happy that I have all this, and I had a good chat with Larry, and I told him about your trail magic, and he said you sound like an amazing guy. It's so cool what you do. And I'll keep in touch. All right, take care, bye.